tonight's dinner. We're going to be running a little bit late, so we're going to prep it up beforehand with some braised chops for tea tonight. In the oven, they should, normally I would put some water in here, but because it gets a fair bit of steam in that travel buddy oven anyway, I think we'll be right without it. So we'll just give it a go and see what happens. Perfect. French onion soup, nice and easy. We have these at home quite often. This is our first go at doing it here though, so we'll see how it works. I think it'll work because it cooks relatively, you can turn it on and cook it relatively slowly. And when we get to wherever Nunes or wherever we're camping tonight, this should be ready to rock and roll. It'll be nice and juicy. Chops should just fall apart. A few veggies with it. We'll do some peas and corn and stuff when we get there, but a lot more in this packet than I first thought. But that's it. Top shelf for the veggies. Bottom shelf for the chops. Turn him on to 180 and just let it chew away for a while till we get there. So in a couple of hours time, dinner's ready when we get there. Just got to set up camp and start eating straight away. Perfect. After about 45 minutes of driving, we pulled up at Wellington and rotated the trays. This helps to get an evenly cooked meal. What are you ducking out of the way?
Right, I'm heading out of here. I'm off.
So, where are we at? Molong.
Molong.
And precursor of dinner is ready to go. The sausage is still cooked as well, but those braised chops look fantastic.
Nailed it.
Yeah, zucchini only went in at Wellington, so they're not going too bad.
That's cool.
No, they're good.
Yeah,
I'm going to eat them.
What do you want?
Serve her up, guys. Serve
I
her up.
sound like a bogan on this thing.
Tell me what you want.
I want some veggies. This is actually the trusty food.
Travel buddy. Working a treat yet again.
There we go. That one's for Chelsea.